If you are looking for the best Instant Pot accessories, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1. Genuine Instant Pot Sealing Ring. Many Instant Pot users report that when they cook spicy or pungent foods in their Instant Pot, the seal tends to absorb the odor. The answer to that problem is simple: just have one or more extra sealing rings on hand. So one ring can be used when you've added highly flavorful spices to your savory foods, and a second can be used for delicately flavored foods and desserts. This is a set of 2 authentic Instant Pot rings in red and blue, so you can tell which is for spicy foods without sniffing. Number 2. Number 2. Instant Pot Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot. Of course, you can't use 2 pots at once, but a second one can come in handy when you're cooking one thing after the other, or when you're cleaning your pot in the dishwasher and you need to start cooking dinner right away. This is a genuine Instant Pot product, so you know it will fit perfectly and will function just like the original. This is for 6-quart models, but extra inner pots are also available for 3 and 8-quart Instant Pots. Number 3. OXO Good Gr 3. OXO Good Grips Silicone Egg Rack. If you're going to cook whole eggs in your Instant Pot, you want to keep them from rolling around or bumping into each other, which can result in breakage. This ingenious egg rack holds 9 eggs and keeps them neatly apart during cooking. You can also use it as a steaming rack in the Instant Pot when you're not cooking eggs. Outside the Instant Pot, you can use this as a trivet for any of your cookware, since it's made from heat-safe silicone. Number 4. Number 4. Aozita Stackable Steamer Insert Pans. Many Instant Pot recipes call for pot-in-pot cooking, where food is placed in a pan, bowl, or other cooking vessel, and that is inserted into the inner pot of the Instant Pot. This set of 2 pots lets you cook 2 separate items using the pot-in-pot method, so you can steam rice in one while cooking vegetables in the other. This also includes 2 different lids, one is solid, and the other has holes. Number 5. Number 5. Dreamfarm Vebo Silicone Vegetable Basket. This handy basket makes it simple to steam your vegetables and then lift them all out at once while draining the water back into the pot. It raises food off the bottom of the pot for steaming, or you can use it when you want to cook in more liquid, then easily drain the food. You can also use it when making soup stock, so you can remove and discard the solids while leaving the stock in the pot. When you're not using this in your Instant Pot, you can use it in a pot on the stove, in your slow cooker. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.